On the front of the cleaner there's a grill where the air is blown from. The exhaust air is blown from that grill, and I'll demonstrate in a moment how much air comes from that grill and how much dust it can blow around the room regardless of the quality of the filters. This is a VUMP 700 cleaner which has not been modified. It's exactly as it came from the shop, and I'm using it at the moment to demonstrate to you how much air is blown from a cleaner until they're modified. I'll switch it on now. I've made a small parachute device, kite. As you can see, there's a considerable amount of air leaving that cleaner, blowing dust all around the room, blowing from the furniture, from the carpet, and it's not a matter of how well good the filters work when the air itself is doing the damage around the room. First I'm going to put some biscuits on the floor and crush them into the carpet. Sort of thing you might get after a party. Now some small pieces of paper, tissue paper, or newspaper. There you are. Now, this is a plate fastened out of a piece of 1/4 inch plastic. 1 inch hole there, 1 inch hole there, fashioned into a single turn thread with a half round file. I just fashioned it so this is just a single turn thread in order to take the the hose, to screw the hose in. Like that. The other end of the hose goes into this attachment made from a brush. One of the tools of the machine. It's a brush which has had the ends cut off. Both the ends are being cut off on the base and the bottom to make just a little cap to cover the lid, the top of the cleaner, and attachment to put the hose back into. Back on there. Yeah, blowing out from there down to the top of the cowling, through the cowling holes to the base of the machine where the holes are drilled to allow the air to play down onto the roller brush. From there it just picks up dust and dirt and is being sucked back in to go through the machine, back up to the top of the machine, up that pipe there. Most cleaners use a separate hose on the outside, but this one's different. It's got a pipe on the inside, making it neater, and it goes to the top where it is then attached to the bag, dust bag, and the dust is sucked down into the dust bag and then back out from the motor into the cowling coupling there, down to the front of the machine, back down to the roller. So you've got a completely enclosed stream of air. If you include the floor as one side of the aperture at the bottom, and the dust, and it picks up the dust and dirt as it goes along. I think maybe, I don't think I can say much more at the moment. There's